How to fix your sponsor blocked this merchant cash app. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix your sponsor blocked this merchant cash app. The first step is to open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the home page of the app, just like you can see here. Next, tap on the profile icon. It is this icon here at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. Here, there are different options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. Next, scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach the bottom of the screen, just like you can see here. Once you are here, tap on this option here, named Support. The page will start loading. After that, this other page will appear where there are various sections that you can use to find solutions to issues you face on the app. From them, make sure you tap on this one here at the top section of the screen. This page will appear where you can find more options related to the account and settings option. Scroll through them and look for one named Sponsored Accounts. After that, this other page appears where you will see more options that you can use to find solutions to the issue you are facing. Next, scroll through them and tap this other option here. Finally, this page will appear where you will find more options. After that, scroll to the bottom of the screen. At the bottom, you will find an option named Contact Us. Under the option, tap this other option named Chat. The page will start loading just like you can see here. This feedback box appears where you can type messages. So make sure you type a message here, explaining to the support team the issue you are facing. You can also copy what I have typed here. Finally, send them the message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. Also, try talking to the person who sponsors you and ask them to unblock the merchant if they are the ones who have blocked them. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. That is how to fix your sponsor blocked this merchant cash app.